Everyone knows there's a lack of houses in today's real estate market. Where we're really seeing a lack of inventory is in one-level living, which is why I'm excited to show you this property at 14959 Echo Way. Let's check it out. This Apple Valley townhome has all the updates. My favorite feature, this open concept in the living area. I love the large breakfast bar, white cabinets, new fridge, new lighting, fresh paint throughout, and the sliding glass door that was recently replaced that lets in all the light. Some of the things you don't see are the updated mechanicals. Now this property is priced at $215,000, which means it won't last long. So take a look around and call us today for your own private showing.
Oh.